on YouTube. Today I'm going to be setting up this Tyger tonneau cover on my Chevy Silverado. It's a 2022. I'm going to set it up, show you guys what it looks like open and closed, and give you my first initial thoughts and opinions. Let's get into it. Let's go over what you get in the box. You get some foam to seal up the back. You get 6 clamps to clamp it to the bed itself because there's no drilling on this. You get 2 channels and the tonneau cover itself, and it comes in this weird bag. I think it's to protect it. You are going to need a 10mm socket, something to use the socket on, so I'm using a ratchet, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, so my first step was to lay everything out and just see how everything lined up. So I put the side rails on, put the roll on the back because you actually have to screw that end into there, and you're going to need the Phillips for that. I'll do that in a second and show you guys what that looks like. But you're not clamping this down first. You are just setting it up, and then you're going to get it aligned, then clamp it down is the way the instructions look. So I'll show you guys once I have that all done. I also wanted to show you guys while you're setting this up, I did unlatch the straps that hold it rolled up into place while you're driving if you have something big in the back. And I was able to get it all the way up before I started screwing this in. And I think that's going to be important later down the road, so you don't get leaks and stuff. So I just wanted to make sure that this gap was closed because I was getting a piece of the tonneau cover actually stuck in there. Just thought I'd show you guys that. Now that I've got everything lined up, set up, I went ahead and went around and made sure everything was relatively lined up before I went and tightened everything down. It might be a good idea too to close your tailgate and roll that out just to make sure everything fits before you go tighten everything down. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to show you guys real quick. You are going to need a 10mm wrench for this as well to go around the bottom as you're clamping them on. You're going to do 3 of them on each side. One at the top, one at the middle, one at the back. And at certain areas you're not going to be able to get it in there, so you just go back further until you can get all 3 of them on. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's on. One last thing I did want to show you, you do want to have this, show you guys on this one, upper little hook right here over this track right here, and you might not be able to see it, but it goes in and it holds it in. Just a quick little tip. I've got all 6 of my clamp downs installed, and I'm going to set it up for the first time, and you just roll this down. Try to keep it as taut as possible as you're going down. And you just line these up in there, make sure each side's in, and then it clamps into place. It just locks down like that. And that's it installed. I wish these bars weren't as angled. I'm sure it probably helps that they are, but I don't like the way it makes the truck look. Seems like overall like halfway decent. I think I paid 200 bucks for this. Leave the link down in the description below. But thanks for watching. If you guys like this content, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.